So I'll be showing you how to use the palm gesture to take photos or videos of yourself using the selfie camera of your Galaxy S24. So basically, when you launch the phone and maybe place it on a tripod, of course in selfie mode, there's an option to show the phone your palm like this, and you can see a timer, and then it's going to take a photo, okay, like that. Okay, so let's try that again. So show your palm. There you go. And then it's going to take a photo after the 3-second timer. There's another one. There you go. So I'll be showing you how to enable that in the settings in case it's not working on your Galaxy S24. So just go to settings. Under settings, scroll down to shooting methods, tap on that, and then you should see show palm, and it says show your palm to the camera to take selfies or start recording selfie videos. Now if it's disabled, then you might want to enable that, okay? And if you don't like it, then you can turn it off from here, okay? Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.